To install your bow to stern cover, begin by locating the bow nose of your rolled and stored cover and secure it around the bow of your boat. Any bow mount trolling motors will need to be removed and secured safely in your boat or travel vehicle. Begin working from the bow of the boat to the stern to cover your boat. You will want to make sure your windshield, if applicable, is closed and secured, or that you have also removed your removable windscreen on any applicable side console models. While covering your boat, you should also be cautious of your built-in ratchet straps to avoid any impact or damage while installing your cover. Prior to exiting the boat, you will want to place and secure your cover support poles into the vented supports on your cover and rest these on the floor. You can adjust your support to increase a tighter fit and avoid any water pooling issues. Continue to line up and secure the cover around both the rear port and starboard side of the boat. Proceed to ensure all snaps under the gunnel as well as rear of the boat and transom are snapped into place. Place the bandar strap hooks into the dedicated eyelet or motor mounted bolts if applicable. Begin to ratchet the bandar strap cover down to a snug fit. Keeping the ratchet strap in the bag while you tighten will make for an easy zipper process once complete. Always double check that the cover is secure prior to transportation.